Alright, so you bought the Canon PIXMA MG3620 printer, and you have no idea how to set it up because it came with zero instructions. I'm here to help, because I was you not too long ago. It's really easy actually. First make sure everything is off the printer, the wrapping, the tape, all the orange items. I already did this part. Next, plug it in and turn it on. It may make some noises, and that's normal. Next, download the Canon Printer app. This can be found in your App Store on both Android and iPhones. Once you open the app, you click on the area that says Add Printer. On my phone, it was on the center button, but maybe on the top corners as well, depending on the phone you have. The app will guide you through the process of connecting your printer to your Wi-Fi and to your phone. You will have to make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. It may take you one try or a few tries to connect your Wi-Fi to your printer. Just stay resilient because it will happen sooner or later. And if you ever change your Wi-Fi or move houses, this will be the same process, give or take, to get your printer up and running. Once your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi, you can print from any of your devices that is also connected to that Wi-Fi. If your laptop or computer is still not connected and able to print, I would suggest you restart your computer and also turn on and off your printer. After this, it should be able to connect properly and you can print freely. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped. This video is mainly for my future self for when I move again and forget how to do this. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will try my best to answer them. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your printer!